I think one of my toxic traits is if you like me and I happen to like you back, honestly, baby, bug me. I want to be bothered by you. You can't make a decision, call me. You think about me, call me. I don't care if you just seen a squirrel, call me. And I'm going to be like, wow, babe, that's nuts. That's what I'm saying. Don't like me, because y'all be one call, one text is enough. No, if I don't answer, keep ringing. Keep ringing, because guarantee I'm busy, but I promise I'm going to get right to you when I see you call. Oh, hold on. Yeah, babe, what's up? My bad, I didn't even mean to miss your call. I didn't even see it. Huh? Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Is that too much to ask for? Can I be bothered by you, baby? Is that cool? That's what I'm like. Don't like me. Because y'all be like, oh, yeah, you do it too much. You're bugging me. So, buzz. I want to be bothered by you. I want to be bugged by you. Well, what's the problem? If you don't want to be bugged and bothered by me, who's doing it? That's what I'm saying. Don't like me, man. I don't got time.